Street Corner Resources presents I Am Peace Project in strong solidarity with Man Up of Harlem and other organizations. June 23rd, 1 to 4 p.m., 129th Street and Adam Clayton Powell Boulevard. Organizations will be providing information on employment, education, training, voter registration, tips for what to do when you are stopped by the police, and solutions for peace. On that exact corner, young people will bring spoken word, rap, song, dance, all for peace. And if you are interested in having your organization be a part of this street corner event, you can call 646-377-8904. That's all organizations and performers. Street Corner Resources I Am Peace Project is funded by the Citizens Committee of New York City, TCI, and stands in strong solidarity with Harlem Renaissance High School and Man Up of Harlem.
I am peace.
I am peace.
I am